Alright guys, so excuse the glasses today, it's very, very sunny here. I'm just on the way to a meeting. Now after the last 3 days of training, I've had a massive request to open up my affiliate training. So if you don't know, I actually have an affiliate training course that I opened up over a year ago, then I closed it. You know about how I close things, so I don't want to let too many people in so I can actually help people out inside my training. Now what I'm going to be doing is, because I had a massive request for this, I'm going to be opening up this training for 5 days only. Okay, so inside this affiliate training, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can start your own affiliate business from scratch and sell products that you don't have to worry about any support, you don't have to worry about anything. All you do is send traffic to these products, and once you get the conversions, you get the commissions, then the creators or the vendors of the products or the software or the courses, those guys sort out all the support and everything else. And you can do this with Amazon affiliates, you can do this with software affiliates, you can do this with ClickBank and all that sort of stuff. So inside this training, guys, I take you through step by step how to get free traffic, how to get paid traffic, how to build out your affiliate websites. I even talk about how to master YouTube. I've grown a YouTube channel from 0 to over 60,000 in a very, very fast time. I've grown a massive blog that brings in over 6 figures a year, and I don't even touch that blog. We go through all of that. I take you through step by step. So if you're interested in selling your own products, this will work for that as well. Your own digital products, your own information products. If you're interested in getting into affiliate marketing, this works as well. If you're interested in doing webinars and selling products, getting leads for your business, this works as well. So this isn't just like affiliate marketing. Although I go through and I base this training on affiliate marketing, you can use this in any business, because the strategies we use inside this can be applied to your own digital products that you have. Like, let's say you have a course you want to promote, or you want to sell your own course. Well, I teach you exactly how to do that inside this training. The concept works exactly the same. It's only the only difference is it's with your own products. So this is something that I've worked on. I worked on for a long time, and I'm actually in the trenches doing this. So I'm not like all the other people that just do courses just for the hell of it. I'm actually in the trenches doing this, and you'll know from my training on the last 3 training videos I sent you. I showed you my earnings from my blog. I showed you my earnings from one of the products that I was promoting, made over $100,000. I showed you my YouTube channel. I showed you how you can review products on YouTube and make money, guys. There's literally like, okay, drop shipping and stuff, a lot of people find it hard, and I understand, because you don't have good price margins on some of the products. They take a long time to ship. There's roadblocks with drop shipping. With affiliate marketing, there's literally no roadblock. You send the traffic to the product, all right, no experience needed. You get usually a 50% commission. So if you're going to be promoting a product for, say, $200, right, you get $100. I actually opened up some affiliates for my drop shipping course, and I've got one affiliate right now doing over $10,000 per month just promoting my one product via, I think he's doing it via an email list. Another thing, guys, inside this training is I teach you how to build a massive email list, which is your biggest asset in business. You can use this email list. I actually will show you some earnings right now. I sent out around about 4 emails and I made over $10,000, right? And then I actually came second in the competition and made another $4,000. So overall, for 4 emails, I think it was around about 4 emails, I made $14,000 in commissions just from sending out some emails, guys. I'm actually going up to my office right now to have a meeting, and I'm going to be sending out some emails tonight for one of my trainings and an affiliate product, and I'm going to be making money by sending out those emails. And it's actually, you can set it up automatically with what we call an autoresponder. And it sends out emails automatically, and all you literally do, guys, is you send traffic to your autoresponder and you make money. Right? It's so much easier than drop shipping. It's so much less stress. It's carefree. It's stressful. And I highly recommend you try affiliate marketing if you haven't tried it. There's pretty much 2 ways you can make a lot of money online if you don't have your own products to sell. Drop shipping, okay, and affiliate marketing. Now, I would say affiliate marketing is actually a lot better than drop shipping. It's just that drop shipping is, I would say, a little bit faster to start. So inside this training, guys, you don't need any technical experience, okay? I teach you everything from top to bottom. You can be a complete beginner and you can start this affiliate marketing stuff, all right? You don't need any internet website skills or anything like that. I show you how to build out a site easily with what we call WordPress, which is really, really simple to use. It's basically push a button stuff. And if you have any issues, you can help me. So what I'm also doing is opening up the private Facebook group that I usually charge money for. So this private Facebook group, guys, I usually charge around about $35 per month for this. So that's over $350 per year. If you jump into the affiliate training today, within the next 5-day promotion, you're going to get access to this Facebook group for free forever. You don't have to pay anything, and you'll never ever pay anything for this Facebook group. This is a private Facebook group full of elite students that are making money with this method right now. And the reason I charge for this group usually is because the results that come out of this group are absolutely incredible. We have people making hundreds and thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing, people that have built up huge email lists, and they send out emails and just make tons of money. We had a guy yesterday make his first dollar online, got his first commission yesterday. I'll put the thing up here. Boop, boop. I'll put the thing up there, right? I know it's only 12 bucks, okay? 12 bucks, Franklin, that's not a lot of money. Doesn't matter. He's on the road to success. He's come over those roadblocks and now he's starting to get commissions. And all it is now, guys, is a rinse and repeat process. He simply rinses and repeats that over and over again. Soon it'll be 12 bucks, soon it'll be $24, then it'll be 80 bucks, 100 bucks, maybe 2 grand, maybe 10 grand. It'll slowly go up and up and up, and it's a rinse and repeat process. So guys, I'm gonna go to my office real quick. I am a little bit late for this meeting, but I wanted to let you know that my affiliate course is open right now. Okay, you can get into this right now, but I do, this is a fair warning, it's only open for 5 days, okay? And I won't be sending out many warnings for this. You have to get in. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to help. But affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, I teach you everything inside. If you do know what it is and you're already doing affiliate marketing, this will help you upscale to the next level. The paid traffic stuff is awesome. I take you through how to actually build an email list for free using paid traffic. So what you do is you basically promote affiliate products to make your money back, and then after that, anything else you promote is profit for you. Okay, so that's how you build email lists of hundreds and thousands of people. Just before I go, someone asked me the other day, Franklin, how do you build a huge email list? How do these marketers build massive email lists? It's simple, guys. I have an email list of over 200,000 people. I could go right now and make 50, 60 grand by sending out some emails. How we do this, guys, is by using paid traffic to promote these affiliate offers and make our money back, and then after we've made our money back, it's all profit, anything from there on. So we're building these huge email lists for free. We're basically sending traffic to these offers, we're making our money back, and then anything after that on the email list is pure profit, okay? And you can make the money back usually in a few days or in a week. It's really, really easy to do. And I teach you that inside this training. So once again, guys, if you're interested in getting more leads, traffic to your business, if you're interested in building a massive email list, if you're interested in building an affiliate website, if you're interested in getting into affiliate marketing, if you have your own products and you don't know how to get sales to those products, hit the button below and I'll see you inside this training, guys. There's absolutely incredible stuff in here. If you've been to my trainings before, you know how good they are. You know that I put in a lot of effort to get my trainings up. This isn't a junk 20, 30, 40 video course full of crap that you could find on the internet. This is knowledgeable, actionable content that I've test driven myself over the last 4 or 5 years. These methods are proven to work, and that's why we have nice things like this when we get to travel, because these methods are proven to work and make us money every single day, okay? And I help students just like you. And one thing about my students, guys, is they all started on this page. All of my students that come into my training started in one place, just like you, on this page. So make the investment today, guys. Jump inside the affiliate training, and I'll see you inside.